Welcome to zkCLOB, the encrypted, privacy-first order book protocol built for secure and anonymous trading. In this short walkthrough, we'll show you how to safely withdraw your assets from your zkCLOB account in just a few simple steps. Navigate to the Assets section and click the Withdraw button next to the token you want to send, for example, USTD. Type in the recipient wallet address and the amount to withdraw. You can use the percentage slider for convenience. Sending assets to the wrong address is irreversible. Double-check the address before confirming. Click Withdraw to submit the request. Your withdrawal will enter a short queue and be processed on-chain. Head to the Transactions tab to view the status. Once it shows Success, the funds should appear in your wallet shortly. Open your wallet or view the transaction on Etherscan to confirm the transfer is complete. And that's it. Your assets have been withdrawn securely and anonymously, thanks to zkCLOB's zero-knowledge proof infrastructure. You stay in full control, with no traces linked to your identity. Trade privately, trade confidently,